Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone is updated and signed into the new Apple ID, and your Apple Watch is charged. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone and keep the watch nearby. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Pair New Watch. You must choose Setup for Myself. You do this so the watch can securely communicate with your iPhone and the new account during the initial pairing handshake. You now select whether to restore from a backup or set up as new. Choose Restore if you want previous settings and data. When prompted, sign in with your new Apple ID and confirm two-factor authentication codes if required. Make sure to enable iCloud, health, and activity syncing so your data flows to the new account. Once the watch finishes syncing, follow on-screen steps to configure passcode, Apple Pay, and watch face preferences for a smooth transition. You finish by checking settings on the Apple Watch to confirm it displays the new Apple ID and that iCloud features are active. Test calls, messages, and health data sync to ensure everything is functioning. Make sure notifications and apps are authorized on the iPhone. If something goes wrong, restart both devices and attempt pairing again. If that fails, unpair the watch from the iPhone and redo the setup, because a fresh pairing clears residual account tokens that can block the new Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.